Hello and welcome to Chronically Overdressed. I'm Christine, the Glambassador. A couple of months ago, I won a contest on the eShakti website, and it was a pretty substantial gift card. So I made a really large purchase. I got 7 dresses and a sweater. And so I want to share with you my haul today. But I also want to go over how I create my vintage style with eShakti products, how I customize my items to really make it look more authentically vintage. For those of you who are not really familiar with eShakti, they're not a vintage reproduction company. They are a regular clothing company, but they are very unique in the sense that they offer customization. So you can actually send them, put your size profile in their website, send them all of your measurements, and you can have a garment completely customized. Or if they, like myself, I actually can just order most of the stuff from their size that's on the website. But you can customize the neckline, the sleeves, and the hem length. And you get these beautiful dresses, and you can customize it to exactly the way you want it. I want to show you some of the little tips and tricks that I use when I'm looking for dresses, but also when I'm creating it, so I customize it to give it more of that vintage style. eShakti used to have a section on their website that was for vintage inspired clothing, but they've done away with that. I'm not sure if they're going to come back with it or not. And they are kind of hit and miss. Sometimes they ebb and flow with some of their styling. But for the most part, they do have a lot of really vintage inspired and things that you can customize to make it look a little bit more vintage inspired for you. My personal favorite for the neckline is I really like a boat neck, or even sometimes a square neck. I think the square neck looks really nice if it's a higher square neck. There's so many options that they give you. They're not always the same options for the same garment, though. It just depends on, what their style is for it. But for the most part, you can choose, a crew neck, a boat neck, a scoop neck. There's so many different options for you. For me personally, I find the boat neck very flattering on me, and also the square neck. So I tend to kind of gravitate towards that as well. As far as my hem length, I always go with a mid-calf or lower. I never go anything above that. But that is the great thing about eShakti, is that you can change it up however you want. If you like it at knee length, if you like it shorter than that, you can absolutely do that on just about every garment you want. And my absolute favorite customization is a puff sleeve. Now, they used to have this as a standard on all of their sleeve choices. They have taken it away on the standard, but if you email them after you've made your purchase and let them know which garment you want that puff sleeve on, they will absolutely do it. I do it just about every time I make my purchase. I send them an email, give them the item code of whichever one, whichever dress or shirt that I want, and I just ask them, can you please make this a puff sleeve? Sometimes it's a gathered sleeve, and they'll get back to you. Their customer service is actually really great. And they'll tell you, yes, we can do that, or no, we can't. I don't think I've ever been denied a puff sleeve on any of the garments that I've asked for. Another thing you can do is, if there's any other kinds of customizations that you want, just email them and ask them. Again, they're really great. They're customizing, they're making that garment for you after you order it. So if there's any changes, any different types of customizations that you want, just shoot them an email. And they're really great about letting you know that they can or can't do it. Another thing that I sometimes will do is the side zipper. I usually don't need a zipper because I just put my dresses on over my head. So I'll ask them to remove the side zipper, because every once in a while, especially if if it's like a sleeveless dress, that side zipper just irritates me for some reason. It rubs on my arm and I don't like it. So I'll just ask them to remove the side zipper altogether, and they're great with that. So yeah, you can communicate with them if there's any other customizations that you want to try out and see if they'll do it. They recently updated their site to where you can actually see the changes that you're making to your garment with the customization. You can see it as it's happening, which is really helpful to see how that dress or garment is going to look on you. And I really liked that feature. You can go back and forth. You can see what the default setting is. You can see what your choices look like, and it's really helpful, especially with the hem length. Just to see where that's really going to fall. Obviously, the model is not going to be the same height as you, but it gives you a good idea, and it's a good thing for for the neckline, because sometimes it's hard to visualize what a boat neck is going to look with that pattern or with that style. So you can click on it and it automatically changes, and you can see what it actually looks like. And here's one of the dresses that I purchased in my haul. So I wanted to change the neckline, and as you can see, there's a great deal of choices that you can choose from. I do like the square neck on this, but I just kind of wanted to see what the other sizes, the high neck, the low neck, see where it really fit best for me. So I went ahead and changed it just to this regular square. And then I like short sleeves because I'm living in Hawaii right now. Now, this doesn't offer a puff sleeve, but I was able to email them and ask them to change that to the puff sleeve. And for the length, I always choose the mid-calf, and that's what works for me. So here's the final dress from what I've chosen, and then you can see what it looked like before. And here's a second dress, just a plain black dress. Again, I'm going to change the neckline. This time I'm going to do a boat neck. And this actually does offer the short puffed sleeve, and it really does make a difference. The length is already set to the mid-calf, but as you can see, you have a lot of different options there. And there you have it. That's my finished dress, and here's what it looked like before. And now I'll show you all of the dresses and the sweater that I got in my last eShakti haul. been buying from eShakti for a number of years, and I am always impressed with the quality of the garments and always the little details. I actually wrote a blog post about my love affair with eShakti, and I highly recommend you go look at it because there's a lot of great information in there. Details like bra keeps. They're just little snaps on your dresses or blouses that you can snap your bra in so your bra doesn't show when you're wearing these beautiful dresses. And pockets. Pockets are a huge thing for me. All of their dresses and skirts come standard with pockets, and they're large. They are industrial size. They fit your phone, they fit your keys, they fit your wallet. They're amazing. I absolutely love the depth of pockets, and they always sit so nicely. They're done on the seam, and you generally don't see them when you're wearing the dress, but you know that they're there. So I'm a huge fan of pockets. I'm glad that they offer them. One of the other things that they've kind of started to do in the last couple of years is for shirt dresses or just shirts in general, they actually add a little button on the inside that you can't see to kind of shore up that gap that usually happens when you're wearing a button-down shirt and you have larger breasts like myself. So it's little details like that. They're really, they pay attention to, what we want, what we women actually want in clothing. So I'm a huge fan of eShakti. I also highly encourage you to go in and create your profile and add in your measurements into your size profile. It's going to save you so much time if you end up doing a full customization on an outfit. Like I said before, I'm pretty much a standard on their sizes. I'm a 2X20, and for all of their fit and flare dresses, that standard size works for me. If there's more of a sheath dress or something that's a little bit more close fitting, I will always get a customization because my hips are, my hip to waist ratio is very large. And so that is always a customization for me, as are trousers. Trousers are always a customization. I have purchased numerous trousers from them, and they have always been spot on. They've been amazing. So it's going to save you some time if you just go in there, put in your size profile, put in all of your information, all of your measurements, and it'll really just help you in the long run if you ever do a full customization. If you'd like to try eShakti, I do have a code for you that'll give you 30% off plus free customization. So just use my name, Christine Cockrum, in the checkout code, and you'll get 30% off and free customization. And this is for new customers only. So I'd love to hear from you and find out, how do you actually incorporate modern styles into your vintage wardrobe? What do you look for when you're looking for a garment from a non-vintage reproduction company? And are there any other companies that you really like that just kind of tend to put out more vintage inspired clothing? I'm currently working on a blog post right now for just putting together the details of the 1930s and 1940s outfits, things that I particularly look for when I'm buying from eShakti or any other non-vintage reproduction company that already has, a very vintage inspired look or is actually working off of vintage patterns. It helps me to put together what are the specific details that I'm looking for a 1930s style, 1940s style, or even a 50s style, which I'm starting to move into now. But it's really helpful for me to kind of just know what those specific details are and know what is going to look good on me. So that's where my eye goes. That's what I'm looking for when I'm shopping, to kind of create that more authentic look, even if it's not a true vintage outfit. Keep your eyes open for that blog post. If you go onto my website and you sign up for my blog post notifications, you'll get that right away. But it's something that I'm working on right now, and I'm really excited about it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my haul. I'm very excited to wear all of these new outfits, and we'll see you soon. Bye.